This is why some people dislike you. Nobody will dislike you more than someone who tries to fake something that comes naturally to you. Let me say that again. Nobody will dislike you more than someone who tries to fake something that comes naturally to you. Because your authenticity exposes their performance. You walk into a meeting confident. They've been trying to manufacture confidence for years. You communicate honestly. They've been pretending to be emotionally mature. You create naturally. They've been copying. And every time you show up as yourself, you remind them they're acting. That tension turns into resentment. And suddenly, you become the problem because nothing irritates someone more than watching you be effortlessly what they struggle to pretend to be. But here's the truth. The person who dislikes you the most is often the person trying the hardest to become you. Your biggest hater is usually your biggest fan in denial.